back with another video, and this is the drone I got here for Christmas, and when my mum and dad bought it for me for Christmas. Got it for me for Christmas, and yeah, so this is a great gift, you know. It's a great present, and it's very good. It was fun to use as well. I used it for the first time. It was great, actually. It was very good, actually. It's very easy to use and easy pilots, you know. So it's very good, you know. Hardly recommend it. It's very good, you know, as well. But it's very good as well. So I'm going to pause and come back to you in a minute. Alright, thank you. And I'm back. Now, this is the drone. It's the black edition. You can also, I think you can get it in different colours. I don't know if you can. But there's this was sold in Hamleys. And yeah, so I'm going to show you the camera in the back. Switch it on again. I'll show you the camera. There it is. There's the camera. It's a very small megapixel camera, but it's actually very good. You know, it's very lightweighted. They don't hardly recommend it. You can't put a GoPro on it, actually, just in case, because it might be too heavy for it. Might be as well. So, and here's the handset. You got your camera. You got your recording, and you can take pictures by pressing the button. If you can control it without losing it, perhaps, you know. And you got the throttle as well. Always make sure it's down, not making sure it's not up, because when you turn it on for the first time, always turn on the thing first, and then turn on the handset on next. And then when it beeps, when that red light goes flashing, and it goes, and the handset goes beep, that's when it knows it's ready and pairs, and then it's ready to go. Okay, and then yeah, so it's actually very good. Yeah, so you got your trims and stuff, you know. There's steering ability as well. Give it perfect, you know, that doesn't go up and down. So okay, yeah. So, and there's your battery, there's your charger, and there's your thing for the It comes with a 4 gigabyte hard memory stick. Comes with a dongle thing as well, and it goes plugged in the camera. And there's your LiPo battery. There's a LiPo battery there. And you got your charger, your USB charger. You can plug it in any brick you can charge it into as well, like an Apple charger or anything like that, and charge it up faster. You know, so yeah, so that's it then. So so hopefully you like this video, and hopefully you had a very good Merry Christmas, and yeah, so so that's it then. So hopefully I'll make some more videos soon, and that's it then. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and the subscribe button until you know when the next video drops. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.